Hey everybody, it's Neil and check out what I have here by JEAPKA. And it is a privacy screen for this one here is for a 27-inch monitor, which is, I have a 27-inch monitor. So I'll show you guys what it looks like here and then I will show you guys putting it on. So this is it here. Let me just see if there's anything I'm missing in the box here. Box is empty. And this is it right here. And I see the screen, and I see this thing in here. Cleaning cloth. Okay, so it looks like the way it's going to work is it's got little magnets around the edges here, and then it's got little pieces here. So I'm going to go and tape those onto the edges of my monitor, and then I will put this on top of it. And so that'll give me the ability for me to see it, but nobody else can see it from the different angles. So I'll tape these on the edges, and then I will show you guys it in a minute. Okay, so here it is on my monitor. You see when we're looking at it straight on, it looks nice. And from the side here, you can't see it. But like if I take off that little screen, I can't even see where it is. It fits on there. It's just so freaking seamless, so seamless. There we go. So there it is with it off. And you can see that's what it looks like, so you can totally see it from the sides. But if I want some privacy, I can just put it back on, and it lines up. It just fits in there exactly perfectly. I don't know if you can tell, but then from the side, nobody can see it. So that's a cool privacy screen, but from straight on, it looks normal to me. I mean, I couldn't even tell I have it on. But it's nice, it's like an anti-glare screen, so I'm actually gonna keep it on because my son comes in and glares at me. So this is a nice screen. So there we go. How cool is that? Super cool, and it fits perfectly. You can't even see it on there. And I just had to like put these little magnet stickers on the edges here, and then this had the magnet built in. So super easy, thumbs up.